In a world where comfort is king, ensuring your HVAC systems are in prime condition is paramount. With Monnit, you have the ability to monitor your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems from anywhere at any time. No more surprises, just 24/7 oversight of your complex systems. From temperature variances in ducts or AC units, our wireless sensors have you covered. Experience the peace of mind that comes with Monnit wireless sensors for remote HVAC monitoring. Because when it comes to comfort, knowledge is power. Book a consultation today and see what Monnit can do for you.